Hey guys, got some more gear, thought I'd share it with you in another video. Just got my Wazoo fire starter necklace, little fire striker and ferris rod. I guess this cordage here also be used as tinder. It is right here. I've actually tried it out before, so you get a little bit of black on the ceramic there. And then also today got a package from Grim Cards. Took less than a week to get here from Texas. It's impressive up here in Maine. So got my metal hook card, my plastic lure card, and my line card. So the idea of this is take all three of these, throw them right in my wallet, and then if you're out and about anywhere, you can go fishing without having a tackle box or a rod with you. Find a stick, tie it up. I'm going to take some of this stuff out tomorrow, hopefully, with the necklace. Maybe we'll do a makeshift fishing rod and catch and cook. We'll see. Also got this neat little keychain from Grim Workshops. Go right on my keys for if I'm out and about anywhere. Take the keychain. Pop my little fishing lure out. Take my line card, go do some fishing. And then it's got sticky backing on there. Pop it back in, put it back on my keys, ready to go for next time. This stuff's designed to be able to go in your wallet and take anywhere, but since I could, I also got a little waterproof case in case I want to take it out in the kayaks. And if you didn't notice on the card, there was plastic and some hooks missing. I already took it apart and tried making a lure. There's one of them there, some double hooks. I could put it back on the cards when I'm done with it, but I'm going to try it out first. So stick it in the case here. Alright guys, so I'll get back to you when I try those out. Thank you.